Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with the exact domain name and its TLD. Type it into a Whois lookup now. This tells you who registered it when it expires and whether transfer locks apply. Once you see the registration and expiry dates, you know if it's actively owned or expired. If the record shows privacy protection, make a note. That hides owner contact info. These first checks save time and tell you if you need a broker, backorder service, or can register immediately. Next, inspect DNS and hosting to determine usability. You run MX, TXT, and NS lookups to see where traffic and email point. This reveals active hosting or parked status. Then ping or traceroute the domain's IP to check latency and hosting provider. This helps decide migration needs. Also probe reputation and blacklists, because a history of spam or malware can hurt deliverability and SEO. Make sure to document all records and IPs for smooth transfer or cleanup. Finally, decide. Register if available or pursue acquisition if taken. If buying, contact the owner or use a domain broker. If transferring, unlock the domain and request the EPP/auth code from the registrar, then start the transfer with your registrar. Once initiated, monitor DNS TTL and propagation to avoid downtime. If something goes wrong, check for registrar locks, expired registration, high TTL, or cached DNS. That troubleshooting tip, verify the lock and expiry first, often resolves most transfer failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.